We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Integral Calculus. The problem is based on the concepts of definite integral. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 27th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is the value of the integral minus 2 to 2 integral minus 2 to 2 of mod of x cube plus x by e power x mod x plus 1 dx is equal to, we are given four options. Option A 5e square, option B 3e power minus 2, option C 4, option D 6. We are given a definite integral and we are asked to evaluate this and find the value of this integral. That is the given question to us. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail, and we have integral minus a to plus a f of x dx. We break this integral into integral minus a to 0 f of x dx plus integral 0 to a f of x dx. And this first integral can be written as integral 0 to a f of minus x dx. Integral 0 to a f of minus x dx, it is same as the above one, plus the second one as it is, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx. How this one is same as the above one, I will show you in the snippet. So this is the one, integral minus a to 0 f of x dx. Now to write this one as this one, we substitute x is equal to minus t. T is the new variable. This will imply dx is equal to minus dt. Because it is a definite integral, what happens to the limits? When x is equal to minus a, so x is minus a means minus t is equal to minus a, then t will be a. When x is equal to 0, t will be 0. So this integral will now become integral minus a is a to 0 f of x is minus t, dx is minus dt. Now we take this minus and we write integral a to 0 as 0 to a. So integral 0 to a f of minus t dt, and the variable this t is a dummy, therefore it is the same as integral 0 to a f of minus x dx. That's what we have written here. So that is equal to, the above one is equal to integral 0 to a f of x dx plus integral 0 to a f of minus x dx. Agreed? And let us say f of x is our the given integrand. The integrand is mod of x cube plus x by e power x mod x plus 1. Agreed? Now we write f of minus x. Why? Because we want f of minus x here. So wherever there is x, you write minus x. So that will be equal to mod of minus x whole cube plus in brackets minus x by e power x is minus x into mod x is mod of minus x plus 1. Now minus x whole cube is minus x cube plus this minus x by e power minus x multiplied by mod of minus x plus 1. Now you can take out in the numerator a minus 1 common. Mod of minus 1 is plus 1. So this will be mod of x cube plus x by e power minus x into mod of minus x will be x only. That will be e power minus x into x, that is e power minus x square plus 1. So that's what we have written. So here it is a mod of minus x is mod x only. Mod x only. When x is positive, then it will be minus x square. But it is mod x only. For the time being, it is only mod x. Agreed. So f of minus x is this one. So we are ready. So integral minus a to plus a, instead of that we have integral minus 2 to plus 2, fx is this function. We continue in the next slide. We have fx, right? F of minus x we have already evaluated, right? Now integral minus 2 to plus 2 of fx dx is equal to integral 0 to 2 fx dx plus integral 0 to 2 f of minus x dx. We have already seen this one. Agreed. This is equal to integral 0 to 2 fx is this one, that is mod of x cube plus x by e power x mod x plus 1 with respect to x. And integral 0 to 2 f of minus x is mod of x cube plus x by e power minus x into mod x plus 1 with respect to x. Now here we see x varies in the interval 0 to 2. That means x is positive. In the interval 0 to 2, in the interval 0 to 2, x is positive. When x is positive, x cube is positive, plus x is positive. Therefore, mod of that you will write without modulus. X cube plus x by e power x into mod x. X is positive, mod x is x. That will be e into e power x into x square plus 1. And here also modulus will go away, and x cube plus x only numerator by e power minus x into x, because x is positive, mod x is x, e power minus x square. So this will be, the first one is integral 0 to 2 x cube plus x by e power x square plus 1 with respect to x, plus integral 0 to 2 x cube plus x by e power minus x square plus 1 dx. Right. So in the second integral, multiply numerator and denominator by e power x square. When you multiply, numerator will be e power x square into x cube plus x, and when you multiply e power x square with e power minus x square, that will be 1 plus 1 times of e power x square is e power x square. Then the first one is as it is, the second one will become this one. Yes. Note down the denominator is same in both the integrals. So if you take the LCM, it is one and the same. Therefore, this will be integral 0 to 2 x cube plus x is common, and from here 1 plus e power x square by 1 plus e power x square, and this is a common factor both numerator and denominator. It is never 0, so therefore we cancel off. Then we will get integral 0 to 2 x cube plus x dx, which is whose integral is very easy to us. The integral of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4. Integral of x is x squared by 2. Of course, in between there is a plus. So to be evaluated between the limits x is equal to 0 to 2. So for the upper limits, it is 2 power 4 by 4 plus 2 square by 2. For the lower limit, it is 0. So you will get this one. And 2 power 4 by 4 is 4 plus 2 square by 2 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. So thus the integral minus 2 to plus 2 of mod of x cube plus x by e power x times mod x plus 1 with respect to x, when evaluated, you will get the value 6. Let's look at our options. Our answer 6 appears against option D. Therefore, the answer to this question is option D. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem, which is based on the concepts of definite integrals from the integral calculus. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.